To solve the problem by using mesh analysis, first understand how many mesh are available in the circuit. Starting from this point, mesh 1, 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms, 80 volt. Once again, back to the same point. This is mesh 1. The current through mesh 1 can be represented as I1. Let us see mesh 2, 30 volt, 5 ohms, 20 ohms will form mesh 2, and current through this can be represented by I2. Let us see mesh number 3, 5 ohms, 40 ohms, 30 ohms will form mesh 3, and current through this will be represented as I3. Let us represent all the mesh currents. So I1 can be the clockwise current flowing through mesh 1, and you can represent I1 like this. But what I would suggest is, instead of showing I1 like this, we will show the entire components through which the I1 is flowing. That will help us while writing down the equations. So let us see how to show the clockwise current I1. I1 will flow like this. This is the way I1 can be drawn. This will help us while writing down the equation. I2 and I3 are simply so we can see now all the clockwise currents have been shown in the circuit equation for mesh number 1. So how the equation will be? Let us start writing down the equation. Minus 10 I1 minus 20 I1 minus I2 minus 30 I1 minus I3 plus 80 equals to 0. So I will write down the equation now once again. Minus 10 I1 minus 20 I1 minus I2 minus 30 I1 minus I3 plus 80 will be equals to 0. So you open the bracket, perform the mathematical calculations, and take I1, I2, I3 and constant in the given format. So this equation will become minus 60 I1 plus 20 I2 plus 30 I3 equals to minus 80. This will become your equation number 1, and this will help you to decide the coefficient while solving the simultaneous equations. Let us go to loop number 2 now. Write down the equation. Plus 30 minus 5 I2 minus I3 minus 20 I2 minus I1 equals to 0. I will write down the equation for loop number 2 now. Plus 30 minus 5 I2 minus I3 minus 20 I2 minus I1 equals to 0. Let us write down the equation in terms of I1, I2, I3 and constant. Plus 20 I1 minus 25 I2 plus 5 I3 will become minus 30. Equation for loop number 3, minus 5 I3 minus I2 minus 40 I3 minus 30 I3 minus I1 equals to 0. I will write down the equation. Minus 5 I3 minus I2 minus 40 I3 minus 30 I3 minus I1 equals to 0. Arrange the equation in terms of I1, I2 and I3. So plus 30 I1 plus 5 I2 minus 75 I3 will be equals to 0. This is your equation number 3. This is your equation number 2. And if you solve these equations simultaneously, you are going to get the answer. I1 equals to 3.76 ampere, I2 equals to 4.57 ampere, I3 equals to 1.80 ampere.